I'm going to show you some very easy Qigong exercises. You can do these in the morning when you get up, and it'll give you a helping hand for the day. First of all, we use the center of the palm to rub the face, but the center of the palm goes around the eyes. So like this. Press your fingers onto your scalp. The palms on the back of the neck. Then on the throat 16 times. Next, we put the palms over the ears and drum on the back of the neck, just below the skull, 32 times. Then here, between the rib, the lowest rib and the hip joint, on the spine, the center of each palm, down the buttocks, back to the center on the coccyx, and up again. And you can do this as many times as you like. Next, rub the knees, but pay attention. This way, not the other way, from the inside out, until they feel warm.